Hi guys, Currency Gamers here with another video. Sorry for the delay in videos, just haven't had much bias or direction in the charts as of recently. But today we're going to do a trade breakdown on Eurgbp that we took today for just over 3%. It was a very clean trade, so I'm going to break down my entry and my psychology during the trade as well. So please like and subscribe if you want more of this type of content. So at the start of this week, we had broken down on the daily time frame. Now, I did make a video discussing this weekly draw that I have down here for this weekly fair value gap. So my bias was leaning more towards the bearish side. On the daily time frame, we had a daily order block here that we traded into. H12, same thing. We had this daily breaker zone here as well. And on the H4, we had a raid of the H4 high just here. So you'll notice I had a lot of confluences for shorts to hold in this area right here. Okay, now going down into the time frame I took my setup, the M15 is where you'll notice we had the tap into that area here, and we had the breakdown and the MSB on the M15 just here, which also left the FVG. Now, my original entry was going to be off the order block here, but I wanted to refine it a bit more. So I was looking more at this refined zone here on the M5 to take shorts from. You can see it's very clean. Okay, so this was for plus 3%. Now, in all honesty, I probably could have left a runner on to probably attack these lows tomorrow. But I was happy with 3%, to be honest with you, so I just took my full position out at just over 3%. Now, whilst I was in the trade, you'll notice that we tapped our entry and we went quite bearish. Now, I was actually watching this trade pretty much throughout, and you'll notice we went bearish and we got to around just half our position here, and then we had a massive, not a massive bullish move because it's the M1, so it's relative to the time frame, but we had a bullish move upwards, and it was almost like it was trying to play with our motions to get us to tap out. But you can see it had another massive bullish run back into our entry zone here. But I was confident in my bias, I was confident in the trade, and you can see we just, once we tagged that, we just went bearish. It was just pure bearish price action after that. Okay, so this is one of the things I've been trying to work on in my trading, is to not close to trade my trades to break even as much, because that's one thing last month that lost me a lot of percentage growth in my account, because I was closing trades at break even mainly because of my emotions. So, and also closing trades at partials too early. So at the moment, I'm really trying to focus on letting my trades run to DTP that I'm setting for the trade, and that's what I've done today. So I'm quite proud of myself, to be fair, for doing that. So that's all for today. We'll be making another video shortly, but it is NFP this week, so I doubt I'll take any more trades for the week, Thursday and Friday. But anyway, guys, please like, subscribe, and yeah, good luck and enjoy the rest of your week.